STAAR Online Testing Tools.
Hey everyone! Let's take a look at the science tools on the online STAAR test page. We will start with 5th grade science. You see all of the standard tools we explained in the STAAR Navigation Tools video, but here you'll notice the addition of the Graph Draw tool. This is great for plotting points, drawing shapes, or solving visual science problems. You can move and resize the window to fit over any question. Use the Graph Draw tool to adjust transparency with the slider so you can see the question underneath. Use the Grid Size selector to change how big the grid is. Change colors with the Color drop-down to make your work stand out. Use the red arrow to undo your last step. Click Reset to clear everything for a fresh start. Use Add Point to plot a point. It'll snap to the nearest grid line. Connect Line lets you link points with straight lines. Finally, Draw is a free-form pen to sketch anything you want. Other than that, the rest of the tools are the same. For the 8th grade science STAAR test, you'll find a periodic table tool that students can use at any time. You'll also see the option to access the 8th grade science reference materials, 2 calculator options, a basic calculator and a Desmos scientific calculator. Click on the name of the button to open the calculator and click on the shuffle icon in the top left-hand corner of the window to switch back and forth between the 2 calculator options. And again, you'll see the Graph Draw option as you did for the 5th grade science test. For the biology test, students have access to 2 calculator options, a basic and scientific calculator. Click on the shuffle icon in the top left-hand corner of the window to switch back and forth between the 2 options. And again, you'll see the Graph Draw tool is also available for students to use. That's it for the online STAAR test science tools. Encourage your students to explore these features before test day so they'll feel confident using them when it counts.